I've just added a new feature for 3,000 symbol subscribers, and I thought I'd show it off today. This is the S&P. You can see how the market's been selling off dramatically. We had that nice intraday low, and now we've got a snapback rally. This could be the start of the bottoming process. So when you go into the scanner and you launch it, you'll be able to select from one of the groups. You can see how many different stocks we've had that are rallying. And now, which is great, it's great because it's showing up on the scanner. Now we're going to make it even better because we're going to mark that filter. And so now we've got two things working in our favor. One is the scanner, which looks for long-term trends and short-term momentum. And we've combined it with a buy signal. So anything on the bullish side has to be on a buy signal. Even if it was a few days or a week ago, it's still going to qualify. Same is true on the bearish side. We're looking for shorting opportunities, so we need to see stocks that are on a sell signal and are coming up on the search. So given this reversal, why the heck would I want to look at anything except for buys? So we're going to go in, and I'm going to start clicking through these symbols, and you're going to see, look at that. You get in here, you've had, I'm going to overlay. I start getting excited about this. I'm sorry, this is just really good stuff when you can find opportunities like this. Here's our relative strength. Stock comes and bottoms when the market's still falling apart. It starts to rally up a little bit. I'm also going to overlay the 1.0 system arrow so we can see. Stock starts to rally up. We get the buy signal in here. Look at this. Any time today, you could have gotten in on that. I'm just going to keep clicking down. Same thing. Same thing. There you've got the stock reversing yesterday, okay? So during the bloodbath, it finishes higher on the day, higher than the prior close. That's bullish, and we get the buy signal. Yeah. This one, you've got the buy signal back here, so you come in during the course of the day and you say, because the stock opened here, okay, we're on a buy. You know what? I'm going to put my limit right here at 48 bucks. If you did that, you're up $3 on that stock trade. Same deal here. Oh, okay. So the stock starts coming up on our search. It's not going to hit this breakout until it's made a new 10-day high right here. Come in, you say, hey, I'm in. It's on the list. Let's see if we can catch something in here that's just starting. Here, I got to be above there. That I have to be above 26, so that one's just getting there right now. That's above horizontal resistance. I'm trying to find one that's just starting out. Okay, here we go. Perfect example. Lumber liquidators, been trashed, been nice and stable during this sell-off. I'm going to come in, I put my horizontal resistance right there. Hey, that stock's above 59.23, buy me 100. Okay, you get your 100 shares done, it starts popping up in your account. You're like, well, what's that? Oh, yeah. Take another look at it, add to the position. It's just a marker. Liking this. There's your horizontal resistance. There's another level. We're through both of them. Hello. There we go. That was on a buy signal way back here, but it is starting to come in right about now. Kind of like to see it above here, so I can find better. Can find better. Love that. Ooh, yeah. Forms a base, starts rocking and rolling. Yeah, all over that. Yeah. Yeah. Getting close. There's one that's setting up right here. I'll put that horizontal resistance right there, 22.75. This stock HGR above 22.75, buy some. Well, gee, it doesn't have liquid options. I don't care. I'll trade a $22 stock. If I can clip a half a buck out of it in a couple of hours, I'm happy with that. Do 1,000 shares. There's no harm in that. Bingo. Great, great tool for stock day trading. If you see something that doesn't have liquid options, that's nice too. Forms a base. Now we're moving higher. Good relative strength. Boom. Boom. Still trying to find some horizontal resistance that it's moved through, but it at least has broken that downtrend and it has been basing. So on that premise alone, you can get into CDE, Coeur d'Alene. Dean Foods, nice breakout there. There's one that's setting up. Got this big sell-off from 1950, okay? Got to get through that 1178 level, though. Then I'm interested. Put your contingency order out there. Starting to recover. Still like to see it above 32. And we've got other good stuff to pick from, so we don't need that. Ooh, here's a nice one. Comes down, forms a base, fills in the gap. Yeah. All over it. And which, incidentally, that is your stop right there. Don't let it go back into the gap. And here we're above that resistance level, but this is a more significant resistance level, 1761. See that big support there? I like that a little bit better. And the stock poked through it and pulled back a little bit, but yeah, above that, I'd be all over it. Downtrend is broken. And that was just one search, okay? As the market starts to rebound, we're going to see others. Here's something called a green line. I mean, we're seeing some of the same symbols in here. All you had to do was go through the breakout and you had everything you needed. So the scanner is included with the 3,000 symbol subscription. And when you click the scanner, make sure to mark that checkbox. So now you'll have the stock setting up on the scanner and you'll have it setting up on the 1.0 system. And look for stocks that are liquid, and then you'll be able to trade some options on it. I think out of the ones I showed you, Lumber Liquidators might have the best option liquidity. I'm not going to go through the list again. It's easy enough for you to do. So this is a very, very powerful tool. I hope you use it. Thank you.